What are you doing?
Can I steal your money? I'm a burglar.
You're a burglar?
I'm a burglar.
Yeah, see, you sound like you're a robot burglar. So I got one of those cool little doorbell things that have a camera and sees pictures of stuff, of people going to your house or trying to break into your house or trying to take your packages and all those things. Not that we've had any of that ever happen, but I like gadgets, so we're gonna put this thing on the front of the house. And so the Ring thing got on sale, and the actual bell ringer for inside your home doesn't come with it. Kind of weird that it doesn't come with it by default, but whatever. It was all on sale, so it was actually pretty cheap. And then I saw Costco had them in really good deal, paired up, because they know people are going to want one of these, most people. So they had them in one big package, but it still was more expensive than my special deal that I got. Excuse me. Got settings where you could set the level of distance and intensities and things. You need to test it. You're the first one to walk up. Go over there behind that bush. Go. Save my phone, is it? But I'm not getting told on my. But I'm getting told my watch. What?
It's ringing out here.
There it is.
Did it ring in here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But I can't. Okay. There. Oh. Alright. Well, you gotta stay out there. Oh my god, do you know how this works?
Well,
I didn't go outside!
Imagine.
Ring the doorbell. There we go. Push that. And then I say, push the, oh look, it's Mom, everybody. Push the button to talk. Push the talk button. Hello?
Hello.
Talk some more.
I'm here. Do you have work for me to do? I could paint or sweep or yard work.
She sounds like a Cylon.
Money for me.
You sound like a robot.
I'm sorry.
Dude, that's terrible. That's really bad. Wow. That's not a good sign for the actual communication.
Let me in.
Alright, come on in.
Okay.
Oh, that's a pretty bad test. That sounded horrible.
Did it?
It sounded really bad. I can see you, but I can't. You sound like a Cylon warrior.
You like this?
Like that. Alright, so now we're going to try with the dude. See how the dude goes. Is there anybody here yet?
No.
So the motion thing, as soon as he walks up on the porch, it should go off. I don't see it going off. Should get motion right now. Motion? No motion! Oh, I got it on my watch. I just felt the jingly. Nope, that's not this. No motion by him walking up. And the ring didn't change. Oh.
That's not on.
Hello, dude.
Hello, Dad.
What are you doing?
Can I steal your money? I'm a burglar.
You're a burglar?
I'm a burglar.
Yeah, see, you sound like you're a robot burglar.
I know that's bad action.
Oh, that's really sad. What'd you say? Wow, that's not good, Ring. Sad face. Alright, let's try it again. So I'm going to try to adjust my motion settings. Even though that's supposed to be like 8 feet right now, I'm going to kick it out and see if that matters. Go there. Alright, I'm going to try this now. You go outside by the bush and carefully creep up to the stairs to the door, and we'll see if the motion thing goes off.
Okay.
Hurry up. Is he coming? See, I got my
He's
phone.
creeping on the wrong side.
Well, I've got my phone ready and I don't see it. Oh, he broke in. Nice motion sensing.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, thanks, dude. No motion sense.
Okay.
Let me open the zones wider, I guess. I'll kick him out. All right.
Want me to go again?
Yep, do what the dude did.
Okay. Got it.
All right. So they're out there somewhere. I'm waiting for my phone to say something.
Out there.
Wow. Did nothing. Nothing did it do. Wow. I'd like to talk to them. Hello?
Hi.
You still sound like robots.
Thanks.
What? Say that again. What? What'd you say?
He said it really sucks. He can't hear anything you're saying. Is there a volume thing on there?
I can't hear any. You guys sound like giant robots. Wow.
I'm Mayor Poop Pants. Go away.
He's Mayor. You're Mayor Poop Pants?
He's Mr. Poop Pants, apparently.
All
No,
right.
he's not. He's Mrs. Poop Pants.
All right. Well, we've set the motion sensitivity quite a bit. It's. I'm afraid we're gonna get cars passing by, but so the kids are about to test it again. They went all around the house, so they're not messing up the motion. We'll see how it works. The speaker is really disappointing.
Yeah, speaker is really crackly.
But you want some? If it? Oh, it's bad. Really bad. Not like TV.
No.
That's why people run away on the TV commercial. Because they're like, oh my god, it's a robot. Alright, so the kids are going to try this again. I got the settings like super way out. Way out. Which is, I'm going to get people like walking by the house. It's going to set my phone up. I hear them. There it goes. Hey, you. Get away from my house.
I got it.
Get away from my house.
We're not leaving because Jess broke it.
Yes, I know. They're there. Hey, burglars. Stay away from my house.
Yes.
Get away from my door.
We're going to cover your face so you can't see we're picking the lock.
Hey, you're not supposed to do that. This is high security.
What?
Oh, look, they foamed it out. What the heck? It's cousin It.
We did.
No.
We are picking your lock.
You're picking my lock? So, there you go.
Yeah.
It's actually far more disappointing than I expected. Because my phone keeps going off now because there's motion at my front door and there's not motion at my front door. It's big vans going by, but it's the only setting I can get to work to see people coming up to my steps. I've got to see vans go by. And the speaker is terrible. I would expect far better with the speaker, but I haven't found a setting for tuning the sound. Oh, there it went off again. Maybe other people have far better success with this, but so far, I mean, it's a doorbell. That's about the only thing that works consistently is ringing. Doorbell. It's just sad.
So,
What?
you like my shirt? This
No,
time?
that was my depressing.
Oh, I get it now.
Hey, There's someone at the door. Is there? Is there?
No, it's a car.
Sigh.
Oh, I cannot put up with.
I like the dogs.
I'm not gonna. I don't think I can handle that going off every 30 seconds.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Uninstall it.
Oh my god.
Car, please come.
You just take the sensitivity down.
Oh. Sad face. Oh, I hate you, Ring. Oh, it went off again.
Yeah, tractor.
No, I don't want to talk. Oh, that's so sad. I can't catch anybody going up to my porch, but I can see the cars go by. Yay! So that's the best I can get it.
Okay.
Right there, which is, I don't know, 12, 15 feet from the door. But even this, even with this and the high sensitivity rating on the other screen, I still, that rating, I still get no one that can, everyone comes up to the porch, I'll never know it. Even with those settings, doesn't matter. I'll still never see you come on the deck. Well, I have tried multiple ways. I've spent almost 30 minutes looking at videos and trying to set the sensitivity and the motion zones. And everyone just went outside and it didn't even go off as they walked by it. So I got it so it didn't go off when there was a car going by, but now I can't seem to get it to even sign that somebody is standing right in front of it. I don't know. I could be doing something wrong. I can change the settings every way I can, but it's not. I don't know. And the speaker is really, really bad. You guys saw that, so I don't know what to say. I'm trying to remember where I got this, so I might return it. You can walk outside, jump in front of it, won't go off. Car goes by, goes off. Check the Wi-Fi settings, figuring that maybe it doesn't have as much internet capability to try to, that could be the voice problem. Oh, no, that's not it. I'm getting 15 down and 1.5 meg up, which isn't great, but it should be sufficient for anybody, especially for this. Audio is not that much. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's going back. Pretty sure, because Mom's not going to put up with this, and I'm really disappointed. It's not anywhere close to what it's supposed to be like. It's just, I could spend another hour with it, I guess, but I don't see why I would. So, anyway, hope you have better luck.